Bicol University or BU, the premier university in the Bicol region, Philippines, is a SUC Level 4 institution by Department of Budget and Management or DBM standards, established on June 21, 1969 following the passage of Republic Act 5521. It has 17 colleges spread across its 7 campuses in the provinces of Albay and Sorsogon, with the College of Law and the College of Medicine as its latest addition, and recently the Doctor of Dental Medicine and Doctor of Veterinary Medicine. As Bicol University or BU, the premier university in the Bicol region, Philippines, is a SUC Level 4 institution by Department of Budget and Management or DBM standards, established on June 21, 1969 following the passage of Republic Act 5521. It has 17 colleges spread across its 7 campuses in the provinces of Albay and Sorsogon, with the College of Law and the College of Medicine as its latest addition, and recently the Doctor of Dental Medicine and Doctor of Veterinary Medicine. As of latest count, Bicol University has 82 AACUP accredited academic programs, with 3 programs accredited at Level 4. It is also a Level 3 accredited institution whose reputation as the premier university in the Bicol region is rooted in its consistent top-level performance in various licensure examinations, becoming recognized as top-performing school in accountancy, social work, midwifery, nursing, education, and engineering. BU has been given its seal of excellence as CHED-recognized Center of Excellence in Teacher Education, Center of Development in Nursing Education, Center of Development in Fisheries Education, and Center for Higher Education Research. Its commitment toward national thrust and directions and in meeting the needs of its community beyond the university borders is reflected in its programs and projects as base agency for Bicol Consortium for Health Research and Development or BCHRD and base agency for Bicol Consortium for Agriculture, Aquatic and Natural Resource Research and Development or BCARD. Over the years, it has earned its place as one of the 22 leading state universities in the Philippines. Bicol University has also been recently rated as 3-star institution by the Quacquarelli Simmons or QS Intelligence Unit, the independent compiler of QS World University Rankings. Bicol University has expanded its linkages to Europe and Southeast Asian universities. This is Bicol University. Bicol University or BU, the
Kahit saan nang mapunta, galing mo ay ipapamala. Tunay kay tatak, Eugenio.
Kahit subukin man ang panahon, sabay-sabay pa rin tayong aahon. Dahil kailan may hindi nawawala pagmamahal natin sa isa't isa.
Eugenio, halina't sumabay sa tutugin ng ating tagumpay. So'y nagniningning ng biyuin ng magaling. Ikaw at ako, biyuin na tayo. Panahon, oras ay lumilipas. Galing ng biyuin nyo ay di kumukupas. Panahon, oras ay lumilipas. Galing ng biyuin nyo ay di kumukupas.
Tulong-tulong abutin mga hangarin natin. Tayo'y handang matuto, kailan may hindi suko. Sa galing ng pamumuno, tayo'y naging buo. Maan man ng maraming taon,
Tayo'y pinagtitibay ng panahon.
kahit tayo ay magkakaiba, ngunit tayo pa rin ay nagkakaisa.
Eugenio, halina't sumabay sa tutugin ng ating tagumpay. Puso'y nagningning ng Eugenyong magaling. Ikaw at ako, Eugenio tayo. Panahon, oras ay lumilipas. Galing ng Eugenio ay di kumukupas. Panahon, oras ay lumilipas. Galing ng Eugenio ay di kumukupas. Eugenio, Orgulyo Bicolano, Mindanao, Oragon sa Inmandarhon. Daima padaog sa rarok, sa rabay, may paglaom sa gabos. Dahil naman ang gandang tunay na utak na Eugenio. Pag sinabing Eugenio, magaling. Siguradong titingalain na mumutawi ang pag-ibig sa iyong puso. Pagkat ikaw ay isang tunay na Eugenio.
Ibang klase ang galing-galing ng biyuhenyo. Kayang pagmalaki kahit kanino. Taas noo sa kabutihan ng iyong puso. Kahit saan man dalhin ang mundo. ang lupa'y umaawi. Ilog ng mga ulap, hinipan ng hangin, uni ng mga ibon, naglalakbay sa pawid. Kay sarap mabuhay, sa ilalim ng nag-iisang mundong makulay. Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit, kay aming dahilan upang mag-iwang. Tayo ay pinag-isa ng langit, lupa, kalikasan at kultura. Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit, kay aming dahilan upang mag-iwang. Tayo ay pinag-isa ng langit, lupa, kalikasan at kultura. Lupa ay nilalamig ng mga awitin, lahat na paiindak, sasaya ng himig. Kay sarap ng buhay na inaalay sa pasasalamat at pagpupugay. Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit, kay raming dahilan upang mag-iwang tayo.
And good morning in Saudi Arabia. We are live here via Zoom conferencing and BU official Facebook account through the Communications and Public Relations Office at Bicol University. I am Abigail Jo Emma Bainza, and I will be the host and facilitator for today's event. Welcome to the virtual signing of the Memorandum of Understanding between Bicol University Philippines and the Institute of Integrated Electrical Engineers, Eastern Region Chapter, Saudi Arabia. Foremost, may I acknowledge the provosts and the virtual participants in this activity. From Bicol University, we have Ms. Maureen C. Mihiliano, Administrative Staff of International Relations Office, Professor Evangeline Dion Rado, Coordinator of International Relations Office, Abigail Jo Emma Bainza, yours truly, Coordinator of International Relations Office, Engineer Alwin M. Lunas, Faculty of Electrical Engineering Department, Engineer Rogimar A. Bolon, Department Head of Electrical Engineering Department, Dr. Dimson M. Rivero, Director of International Relations Office, Dr. Amelia B. Gonzalez, Dean of College of Engineering, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, Vice President for Academic Affairs, and Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, SUC President 4 of Bicol University. From the Institute of Integrated Electrical Engineers, Eastern Region Chapter, Saudi Arabia, we have Engineer Gabriel J. Espinas, 2021 Chapter former President, Engineer Randy I. Revilla, 2023 Chapter former President, Engineer Ludovico M. Esmalia Jr., 2024 Chapter Business Manager, Engineer Roberto E. Peralta, 2024 Chapter Auditor, Engineer Roel S. de Guzman, 2024 Chapter Treasurer, Engineer Kenneth S. Alontaga, 2024 Chapter Secretary, Engineer Oliver G. Cabugao, 2024 Chapter VP Technical Affairs, Engineer Marcelino R. Signo, 2024 Chapter Vice President for External Affairs, Engineer Julius R. Go, 2024 Chapter Vice President of Internal Affairs, and Engineer Edison Pedro A. Sabado, 2024 Chapter President. Without further ado, let us formally start the program. To guide us in this undertaking, let us stay silent for a while as we invoke the presence of the Lord.
That out of fear may come confidence, that out of hurry may come deliberation, that out of frustration may come guidance. Let us get to our work, not head first, but heart first. May we be able to disagree without being disagreeable, to differ without being difficult, to be honest without tension, and frank without offense, in an atmosphere of team spirit. Amen.
This will be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, to be followed by Bicol University hymn and the IIEE hymn.
We wish to sing of a school to honor and revere, a temple built by men of firmness, a mold for you to walk with pride, for He will always be united, although we tread on distant lands. We all shall cherish what you've taught us, that you wholeheartedly gave forth. Bicol University, burning torch of wisdom, fount of courage, hope, and love, seed of truth and light. Bicol University, burning torch of wisdom, fount of courage, hope, and love, seed of truth and light. We are one in IIE mission and vision, instilling excellence in electrical profession, having a dynamic professional association, making innovative contribution to our nation. IIE members were stronger than chain and bolt, rising to any challenge, involving what's comes and bolts, being making rigid transmission, great for reliability, ensuring little power loss and high efficiency. From shifting from one place, the use of all with power horse cannot be broken. Bind us together, bind us together, bind us forever, synchronize our hearts to reach greater heights and brighter light. There's only one institute, no one else can substitute. There's only one RIP.
At this juncture, may I give the virtual to the Dean of Bicol University College of Engineering, Dr. Amelia B. Gonzalez, for the welcome remarks.
Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres III, our beloved and most esteemed Bicol University President, Dr. Juliet Borres, our very dynamic VP for Academic Affairs, Dr. Dimson Rivero, the very active Director of International Relations Office of the Bicol University, to uh, Engineer Edison Sabado, the chapter president, to the vice president of Internal Affairs, International Integrated Electrical Engineering Association, Engineer Julius Go, to all the Busing faculty members and all other students who are present here today. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Again, we are gathered once again to witness the forging of partnership between the Bicol University and the Institute of Integrated Electrical Engineers Eastern Region Chapter Saudi Arabia. A bond, we are creating actually a bond that would strengthen and propel us to the greater heights, a step towards fostering good relationships and advancement in academics, innovative researches, and significant community works and services. Likewise, this activity is a part of compliance to international accreditation of the Bicol University College of Engineering. Hence, I welcome this ceremonial activity, and that would, again, I mentioned a while ago, that would foster a great bond between the two entities. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Thank you, Dr. Ami, for the warm words of welcome. Let us now listen to the messages of the two presidents in this partnership. Let us first listen to Bicol University's highly esteemed president, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III.
Thank you. Headed by the President, Engineer Edison Pedro Sabado, past presidents, and other officials. Engineer Amelia Gonzalez, our Dean of the BU College of Engineering. Engineer Rojimar Bolon, the Department Chair of the BU Electrical Engineering, and faculty. Dr. Dimson Rivero, the Director of the BU International Relations Office, and his staff. Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Diyos, marahay na hapon po sa inyong gabos. Allow me to express my heartfelt gratitude and joy to everyone who made this latest partnership engagement possible. When good people with good intentions and good ideas come together, great things happen. This latest partnership is one of those. Our vision of a university for humanity is one that seeks collaborations, mutual benefits, and equal development. This is what collaborative service is all about. As we seek to expand our intention to create viable and sustainable societies, we are aware that Bicol University is surrounded by possible partners whose transformative leadership calls for evolving with the times, especially uh, with these trying times and the post-COVID. With the signing of this general bilateral agreement, we are fulfilling our task of ensuring accessibility, equity, and inclusivity in various opportunities for continuous and global sustainable development. We hope that we will be able to serve you and the community you represent with this modest initial step towards forging an impeccable partnership. We commit to ensuring that every directive in the GBA and the mutual obligations that bind us all to it will definitely be acted on. We reiterate our commitment and bringing Bicol University as a university for humanity beyond the university borders so that we can continue building more bridges and breaking more barriers for our Bicolano scholars and the rest of our stakeholders in the context of a globalized society. To our friends and constant partner from the IIEE, welcome to Bicol University. Thank you for choosing Bicol University. Diyos ang mabalos po sa gabos.
Thank you very much, President Nebres, for your message. And now from the IIEE ERCSA chapter, let us now listen to Engineer Edison Pedro A. Sabado.
Hello, everybody. Am I clear now? Before anything else, before I do my part, I would like to introduce to all the attendees now that we have also, aside from the ERCSA, we have the national office. So I would like to first take this opportunity to give our floor to our national president, Dr. Florigo Varona. He is online now, and we are very grateful that he gave us the chance to be with us. So before my part, I will ask National President, Dr. Flor, to give a message after the message of Bicol. So, sir, take the floor, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you very much for inviting me.
Welcome, sir.
And as I heard the message of the President of BIO, Dr. Nebres, it appears that the school would like to go into international recognition of their program, and I think this is timely also. Both will benefit because IIE now is this is part of balance scorecard, and the theme is about transformational leadership towards sustainable development and global recognition. So we are both aligned. Now, with respect to international recognition, I am really excited with this because this is part also of the requirement for their upgrading to become an EPIC engineer. That's part of their significant contribution to engineering practice. So this is an avenue for them to share their expertise. On the other hand, on the part of the institution, this is also part of the requirement in terms of industry linkages, wherein they have to partner with an organization like IIEE in terms of their education extension, so that the uh, the industry can share with them the latest technology. So this is a good partnership. Now, hopefully, it will go beyond that. We would like also to encourage the the faculty members to apply as an ASEAN engineer. Uh, our governor from IIEE, Foreign Region, is member of the AAPER committee who is handling the this one, which is about ASEAN engineer, and this is also part of their balance scorecard for global recognition. Hopefully, this particular endeavor will have sustainability, wherein IIE become your partner in the continuous development, so that the practitioner will be able to share with you the updated emerging technology, the updated practice. Actually, you can invite them as as part of if it would be possible for a to become faculty. Maybe some of them will be interested on that for an online one. And this is basically aligned with our commitment for this year. And with that, I would like to thanks both Bicol University and the Bicol region for partnering also with the Eastern region uh, chapter of Saudi Arabia. They are also expert on on this aspect. Andyan si Kenneth Alontaga. Kenneth Alontaga is one of the few, actually dalawa lang yung EPIC engineer na nandyan. So I think Kenneth is on top of this one. So with that, thank you very much, and that's all.
Thank you very much, National President, Sir Flor. Very grateful po, Ursa, for your attendance today. So on my part now, I would like to make my opening remarks. So to Dr. Nebres, the Bicol Vice President, Bicol University President, Dr. Julieta Bores, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Amelia Gonzalez, Dean of College of Engineering, Bicol University, Dr. Dimson Rivero, Director of International Relations Office of BU, Engineer Rogi Mar Bolon, Department Head of Electrical Engineering Department, Bicol University, Engineer Alwin Lunas, faculty member of Electrical Engineering Department, Ma'am Abigail, Professor Ma'am Banji, Ma'am Maureen of all from IRU. And for the part of IIEE, already very thankful we have Dr. Varona today for our 2024 Foreign Governor, Gov Edgar Bernardino. He's also with us today. Foreign Governor for 2023, Gov. Rainier Supsup, is also right now with us. Bicol Region Governor Engineer Gregory Moreno is also with us. Thank you, sir, for your support. I would like to mention a former professor of BU also, and a former former president of our chapter 2021, Engineer Gabriel Espina. Sir, good morning. Good afternoon dyan sa inyo. This is very, maybe without him, this MOU signing might not be possible without him, because when he went back to Philippines last year, he already coordinated with BU, supposed to be last year. Anyway, and so also with the energetic former president of our chapter, actually with his effort and Pres Gabriel, they were coordinated last year, but did not post through that last quarter. So very grateful that for this year, part of the year, it already continued. Mr. President Randy Radillas is here also with us to support our memorial. And to all of my fellow BODs here in chapter, all of them are here with me today. Vice President for BP, for Internal Affairs, Julius, External Affairs for Marcelino Signo, our BP Technical, he's also here, our chapter treasurer, the one and only Kenneth Arlontaga, as mentioned by our national president, they are both friends now, very close friends. Okay, and also to all our guests from Bicol University, I think there are many professors from in the engineering department that are present today. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon in the Philippines, good morning here in Saudi Arabia. It is my pleasure to join you today at this virtual signing between Bicol University and our IIA ERCSA for the university linkages, which is also part of a program of our organization. With the advent of virtual platforms such as Zoom and other applications, sharing with ideas has been easier and faster in reaching more individuals. And through this, a word webinar is a combination of seminar done in a website and not in a classroom, has been formulated, and as such, has been utilized widely, specifically during the pandemic. Now the pandemic is over, we already still utilizes this for other benefits. Hence, our beloved organization IIE started the program and encourages each chapter to look for a university or a technical school in our respective places and provinces who are willing to be our academic partners and us to be their technical partners. The main objective of the program is to reach out to electrical engineering students in sharing our real-world experiences and also those not so great ideas but basic ideas and engineering principles to share with these students that will prepare them in their journey in fulfilling their aspiration as full-fledged electrical engineers. I know as a graduating student, the idea of what path to follow, especially in the electrical engineering world, there are many paths to explore. And one aim of sharing is also guiding them to take the right path. Many of us here are practicing in various fields of electrical engineering. And somehow, we can also help in enlightenment of what path they are willing to pursue. Engineering principles may be explained well, discussed in the classrooms, but it is more effective if it is coupled with actual experiences, actual photos maybe, and maybe if given a chance, actual video tours of workplaces by our chapter members. Hopefully, we can also arrange for some that because of the advent of TikTok videos, FB Reels, or picture compilations, with this, they can have an idea of what is the real world experiences of us here as working as electrical engineers. Anyway, as an OFW, as an OFW, we are here for the rest of our life as a new generation. So arises, naririnig ka? Okay, sorry. On the lighter note, this MU of Bicol University is already our second university. First was Eastern Visayas State University in Ormoc campus, Ormoc City campus. And we already conducted our first technical seminars with them just a few weeks after signing the MOU. And recently, they contacted me for a follow-up topic. And I immediately told them, wait for 1 more week. And our plan now is another technical seminar after the signing of MOU with Bicol University. So with this one, maybe we are already on the verge of preparing the schedule and also the program. Actually, the topic is already there. So I'm happy to share also that maybe next week, if with the cooperation of our Sir Rogie Bolon, maybe we can also set the combination of the two schools for two universities for this subject. Okay, I believe the collaboration team in Bicol University and II will find appropriate program for the benefits of the students. From our side, electrical engineering topics can be arranged since our chapter has also wide a range of expertise in the field of design, consultation, construction, operation and maintenance of electrical facilities. So anything from BU electrical engineering students or from their part, we are willing to coordinate with you for such topic. But for now, the first topic, we already prepared that one. So further notice on that one, sir. Okay. Again, with this, I would like to give our commitment here on ERCSA for the cooperation on our part for this linkage that we are going to sign now. As I said, there are more other ways of giving our side for this matter. So maybe we hope our partnership will be a great one, and let's start the year right. So for now, I would also give our side from our foreign regional governor now, Sir Edgar Bernardino, who's with me also, since he's also a big part of this MOA signing, MOU signing. So, sir, can you give us a little message, sir? Sir Edgar, good morning, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Chapter President Edison. So to the Bicol University, headed by Dr. Baby Boy Binhamin Inebres III, and of course to all staff and committee who are responsible for this great event today. And of course to our counterpart from IIEE, the IIEE ERCSA, headed by Chapter President Edison. And of course, from our national office by our very own Dr. Florin Guarona. And also we have here our 2023 Foreign Governor, Lenario Supsup, and all the BODs who are in attendance of this MOU signing for Bicol and IIE ERCA. So first of all, I would like to congratulate all of you for this ceremonial signing of the MOU between the Bicol University and IIEE ERSCA. So this really is a very great, a great way for Bicol University to fulfill its objective to provide the high quality of education and training programs to enhance the skills of the students. So we from the foreign region, particularly the Eastern Region chapter, Saudi Arabia, we are honored for having been selected by Bicol University to be your academic extension partner. And as I understand from the the MOU, eventually the qualified professionals from the ERCSA will later then become their consultants or resource speakers for the trainings that they will conduct for our students here in Bicol University. It's a very good initiative actually because for this, it also gives the better chances or the opportunity for our students to be exposed, in the standards or codes of the foreign region. For example, if later on they will be providing training for design, then it is a very good opportunity for them to learn these codes and the standards of other region, and this gives a better chance for them in the future if they intend to work abroad, particularly here in the Saudi Arabia. And I would like also to say that this is a very significant moment for Bicol University. For me, this ceremonial signing will serve as the commitment of both parties. The commitment to excellence in the instruction, of course, research and training, and of course, the extension. So, and you know that this commitment of both parties, I would like to say that this is also aligned with the theme of IIEE for this year. I would like to announce or share that the IIEE theme for this year is IIEE at 49, Transformational Leadership Towards Sustainable Development. So I know that this activity now is one of the examples of aligning our activities for this year's theme of IIEE. So with these documents that we are going to sign, I wish that let us symbolize the unity of the purpose that binds us, together. This is also, you can hear this in our theme song just now that we played, Bind Us Together, IIEE. So may our collective efforts transform the Bicol University into an institution that not only imparts knowledge, but also shapes the character, maybe and creating sustainable societies, and for contributing to the, of course, for the greater good of the humanity. So to Bicol University, I can say that this is a start of the path toward brighter and sustainable development and global recognition. So thank you, Press, for the chance to speak before the team here. Thank you and God bless us all. Magandang hapon dito sa Pilipinas and good morning there in Saudi Arabia.
Thank you very much, Dr. Varona, Engineer Sabado, and Engineer Bernardino. We are very close to making this partnership official, but before that, may I ask Dr. Dimson M. Rivero to explain to us the rationale of the Memorandum of Understanding.
Revisiting all the details po na
Okay, thank you very much, Abby, and good afternoon, everyone, and good morning to our friends in Saudi Arabia who are supposed to be our would-be potential partners for the said memorandum of understanding in which we're going to sail in a few moments. So to give you the rationale of our memorandum of understanding, this MOU will be entered into contract between Bicol University, Legazpi City campus through the College of Engineering and the Institute of Integrated Electrical Engineers of the Philippines, Incorporated, Eastern Region, Chapter, Saudi Arabia. Whereas one of the objectives of the BULCC is to provide high quality education and training programs to its students as it is dedicated to enhance the skills of our students. Whereas the BULCC has chosen IIEE ERCSA as its academic and extension partner, through which BULCC may top qualified members of the IIEE, where the latter will serve as consultants, resource speakers, and or trainers to conduct trainings to help improve the knowledge base and skills of the students. And this agreement shall take effect immediately upon signing whereof by the respective authorized representatives of both parties and shall continue to be effective until the accomplishment of the purpose stated in the contract. So that would be all. Thank you very much and have a pleasant afternoon to one.
Thank you, Dr. Rivero. We now come to the highlight of this virtual event, and that is the signing of the Memorandum of Understanding between the Institute of Integrated Electrical Engineers, ERCSA, and Bicol University, Philippines. May we now request all the signatories to please sign the documents in front of you. You may now sign the Memorandum of Understanding. When you are ready, please raise the document you have signed for the photo opportunity. Please don't cover your face because we want it to be seen in the camera. Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Another one, please. 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much. That officially seals the partnership between Bicol University Philippines and IIEE ERCSA chapter. Let us give ourselves a big round of virtual applause for this historical event. May I now turn over the virtual podium to some of the key officials involved in this agreement for their words of commitment. Let us start with Engineer Rogimar A. Bolon.
Thank you so much, Ms. Abby. So for the words of commitment from the Electrical Engineering Department, so as the head of the Electrical Engineering Department, I stand before you with profound commitment to our future success in our joint venture. Together, let us forge a path of collaboration, innovation, and continuous growth. My commitment extends to fostering an environment where each member contributes meaningfully, students thrive, and our department achieves new heights. With the dedication and shared purpose, I look forward to navigating the exciting challenges and opportunities that lies ahead. Thank you for your trust, and let our combined efforts propel us to excellence in the electrical engineering education across Bicol University. Thank you so much, IAEC, ERCSA, as well as Bicol University.
Thank you very much, Engineer Bolon. May we now hear from Engineer Julius Argo. Engineer Go.
Nakamute ka ata. Nakamute ka.
Okay. Good morning again. Sorry for that. Okay, I'm now clear and audible to everybody. Okay, thank you. To Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, Dr. Amelia B. Gonzalez, Dr. Dimson M. Rivero, Engineer Rogimar A. Bulon, Engineer Alwin M. Lunas, Miss Abigail Jo M. Abaenza, Professor Evangeline D. Honrado, Miss Maureen C. Mihiliano, and to the 2024 IIEE ERCSA Board of Directors, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and good afternoon in the Philippines. This momentous event is made possible by collaborative actions initiated by Bicol University and IIEE ERCSA President, Engineer Edison Pedro A. Sabado, and Board of Directors, with guidance from the past and present IIEE Foreign Region Governors, Engineer Riniero C. Supsup, and Engineer Edgar B. Bernardino, the IIEE National President, Dr. Florigo C. Barona, and in cooperation with the IIEE Governor for Bicol Region, Engineer Gregory D. Moreno. A remarkable achievement indeed. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to join you today and participate in this morning's ceremony. I am honored to witness the signing of the Memorandum of Understanding between IIEE ERCSA Region Chapter Saudi Arabia and Bicol University. This agreement offers an excellent opportunity to expand the educational and training cooperation between our institutions, with a strong emphasis placed on student welfare by both institutions. This new partnership with the Bicol University, with focus on educating future Filipino electrical engineers, will strengthen the IIEE ERCSA dedication to its core principles and expands its ability to offer its expert portfolios to the students and faculties in a truly unique view of our increasing interconnected world. Under the agreement signed today, the two institutions will cooperate and provide academic linkage with training and seminars for the students of electrical engineering. By bringing together intellectually curious students and experienced electrical engineers of IIEE ERCSA via training sessions will enhance the efforts of transferring of knowledge between mentors and mentees. I look forward to watching the relationship between these institutions grow and flourish over the coming years. Thank you. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
Thank you very much, Engineer Bolon and Engineer Go. Your words of commitment will definitely see the future plans in motion. For the closing remarks, may I now give the virtual floor to the Director of the International Relations Office, Dr. Dimson M. Rivero.
Okay, thank you very much again, Miss Abby. In closing, we would like to express our sincerest appreciation for the dedication and commitment demonstrated throughout the process of signing our Memorandum of Understanding, which will serve as our international cooperation agreement. Your unwavering support and collaborative spirit have been very, very instrumental in reaching this kind of milestone. As we embark on this international commitment, let us affirm our shared vision for a future of prosperity, innovation, and of course, positive impact. Together, we have the power to make a difference on a global scale. I am indeed confident that this agreement will not only strengthen our partnership, but also pave the way for for new opportunities and mutual growth. Our collaborative efforts will undoubtedly contribute to building a more interconnected and harmonious world. For and on behalf of our university president and the vice president for academic affairs, we say thank you so much for your trust, collaboration, and shared commitment to excellence in the trust of internationalization. So here's to a continued success of our international cooperation. Good afternoon and good morning.
Thank you very much, Dr. Rivero. And now that we are officially at the end of the program, I would like to thank everyone who joined us and witnessed this momentous event. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
Maybe Miss Abby, we can have a photo opportunity for this very momentous event, and we can have this documented as we mark legacy in the future.
Yes, sir. All right, may I request everyone to turn on their cameras and please smile your most beautiful smiles. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Another one, please. 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you, First Gab, for assisting us on this journey.
Welcome, welcome. Yes.
Si First Gabriel po yung nag-fix namin papunta dyan sa Bicol University. Yung aming 2021 na former president.
Thank you.
At sa guidance din ni Gobriner. Maraming salamat, Gobriner, Sir Edgar, and NatPress.
Bicol University, or BU, the premier university in the Bicol region, Philippines, is a